My name is Shirley Sklar. I am the office manager at Sklar Associates. Financial stress is so harmful to a person. It interferes with relationships, with their spouse, with their children. They're short-tempered, they're not sleeping at night, and all of this is totally avoidable. It doesn't seem like that at the time, but there's options to help them that will get them out of the financial funk, certainly, but out of the emotional funk too. There's a lot more younger people that have come in for our services, and I find that just recently, honestly, there's less of a stigma. Maybe because of social media, maybe the younger people view it differently than the older people. So we'll give them a budget, we'll help them with their finances. And not only are we helping people get rid of their debt, but also we are training them on how to budget, on how they can teach their children, on how they can teach their parents on how to budget. Has debt become the norm in our society? I'm going to say yes. I really believe it has. Credit cards are very easy to get. You know, we've got social media. There's a hype about buying things. So yes, I think to a large extent it has. People come in and, they're embarrassed about their debt load. And, I say to them, just focus on yourself. Just focus on getting you and your family back on track and get a grip on your finances, and we can help you do that.